Hello, hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. Voice and so see my screen. I want us to start off analysis with the chart on my screen. This is Euro USD. Very good uptrend. So we are looking at the previous day's highest high, which is this one. As long as the price does not stand and close above it. The previous day's highest high is this one actually. This is just our good resistance. So while the price does not break and close above this line, this remains to be a very good place to be looking for a sell from. So we are just waiting to see what happens if the price gets to that level. If it doesn't break and close above it, we will be expecting the sellers to come in from around this area. But if the price ascends and closes above this line, then we will be expecting a move. So wait and see what happens around this area. It could be a very good place to look for a sell from if the price bounces off from it. But if the price breaks and closes above it, then that will be a good place to consider looking for more buy positions from. The other chart, Euro USDJPY. The USDJPY so far, it looks like the price is bearish, but we have a very good supportive trend line where we don't actually expect the price to close below it. We had a support, and we have a support here. Unless the price clearly closes below this trend line, this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. So the price may come to this point, then bounce off and head straight to the upper side, or we may see a break below it, which may push price downwards towards 141.119. The other target is this one, which is 139.590. So if the price descends below this line, we are expecting the sellers to continue to push us downwards towards this level. If this level is broken, the next target is this, and if this is broken, then we will expect the price to extend even lower. The other chart is GBPUSD. This is upwards, so we've seen price extend massively to the upper side. We have a very good level here. This is a resistance. We had a resistance, we had a break above that resistance. If the price can move down and touch this zone, then this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. So the idea here is to watch for a buy position. If the price can move down and touch this zone, this should actually give us a good place to look for a buy from. So if the price moves down and touches this zone here, this is a good place to look for a buy from. We are expecting the buyers to come in from around this area to push us even higher. The other chart is the gold. You can see the price has gone even high. It has even broken above the highest high we've had so far. So this is a possible sign that the buyers are in control, and in case we see a retracement back towards 2599.77, which is this line here, then this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. So just to see what happens. If the price comes down and touches this line, this is a good place to look for a buy from. But if the price breaks again below it, then we may expect a move downwards, at least up to this point. Point is this one, and the last one is this one. So these are the levels we're looking at. Looking at this level, we're looking at this level here, and we're looking at this level here. So that should be my opinion. The other chart, silver. Silver, so far we have a very good resistance. The price is yet to break beyond it. We have this resistance level. So as long as the price does not break and close above that resistance level, the one we've just drawn now, that remains to be a very good place to be looking for a sell from. This is a very good place where we want to look for a sell from. In case we see an ascent above this zone, then we will expect a move even higher. So the idea here is to watch for a sell position if the price does not break above it, or if the price breaks above it, then expect the buyers to push us even higher. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again on Monday at the same time. Thank you and see you.